The Philippine Coast Guard, or PCG, and other agencies delivered general facts, transparency, and history of the West Philippine Sea to the students of the Polytechnic University of the Philippines. John Lester Naguna from the Philippine Information Agency, NCR, has the details.
The Philippine Coast Guard, National Youth Commission, and Philippine Information Agency National Capital Region delivered correct and reliable information about the West Philippine Sea at the previous WPS Youth Forum at the Polytechnic University of the Philippines main campus. Commodore J. Toriello taught general facts, transparency, and history of the West Philippine Sea to the students of the College of Political Science and Public Administration. PIA NCR also gave a lesson on media information literacy and combating the spread of fake news, which delighted the scholars ng bayan.
Tayo ay nakapagpulot ng mga aral, especially sa mga hindi ganun ka-knowledgeable and educated about sa West Philippine Sea.
After the youth forum, the students believe they can do something to defend the West Philippine Sea.
Maging informed and must stay informed sa mga updates tungkol doon, and always stay informed. Lagi natin titignan, fact check tayo lagi, at palagi tayong maging updated dahil laban natin to, laban ng Pilipinas to. Ayun na.
Mag-educate, mag-influence. Katulad nga nitong kung ano yung mga nakuha kong aral dito, yun lang din yung mga sasabihin ko sa kanila.
They also expressed gratitude for the opportunity to discuss the issues of West Philippine Sea.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat-lahat ng perspektiba sa kabataan, sa militar, sa pamahalaan, at sa ating mismong komunidad. Maraming salamat po sa inyo sapagkat ito po ang dapat natin gawin bilang Pilipino, ang ipagtanggol ang atin.
In the fight over the West Philippine Sea, the solidarity of the youth is crucial. The future of our nation depends on them, and we hope to empower them with correct and reliable information. From the Philippine Information Agency National Capital Region, John Lester Naguna, Balitang Pambansa.